Gadgets are amazing. They don't only make our lives much easier, but they look great too. If you are someone who is in love with gadgets and you're looking for the next cool gadget you can get your hands on, either for you or for someone you love, you are in the right place. In this video, we will talk about 10 cool gadgets you should have in your collection, gadgets that would make an awesome gift to your friend or family member. So sit back, get some snacks, and let's dive into the list of 10 gadgets that you definitely need in your collection. Before moving further, we would like to tell you that we bring the latest and innovative technologies in every episode of Advanced Tech HD. Please subscribe to our channel to support us, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest video notifications. Also, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, which will help us to reach more and more technology lovers like you. We will appreciate that. Number 1, Moto 360 Smartwatch. The Apple Watch is an amazing gadget to have in your collection, but it's of no use whatsoever if you are one of the majority of the world's smartphone users with an Android device. The Moto 360 smartwatch is a tech beauty that'll look perfect on even the most well-to-do wrists, thanks to its classy stainless steel body, a rotating crown, leather strap, and weighty feel. It is the third generation Motorola watch, and with this, they completely nailed it between form and functionality. It is powered by Wear OS, that's Androids, but you can use it with iPhones too, so the majority of what you can do on the smartwatch is dictated by this, but on the whole, the operating system is so much better now than it was a few years ago. The watch itself not only looks cool, but it also has some pretty novel features that set it apart from other smartwatches. For a start, it is blazingly fast with silky smooth transitions between screens and no lag, which is important, as it's of no use if it keeps lagging. It also comes with GPS and NFC for contactless payments. The always-on display is bright and sharp, adapting to the changing light conditions so you don't need to flick the wrist or tap to see the time. After about a day and a half under normal use, it switches to time-only mode to save more battery life, which is great, although an hour's charge should be enough for it to last a whole day. Number 2, EZVIZ Ken Outdoor Smart Wi-Fi Camera. The tennis ball size EZVIZ Ken security camera is a great gadget you should get. It has to be. Within the first week of it being up, it was tested rigorously to confirm its authenticity and durability. It is easy to install as long as you have a drill to fix it to your wall, and the EZVIZ app is completely straightforward. You can toggle a full screen live stream, and hitting record will save the footage neatly to your camera roll, as well as in the app itself. The video quality of the camera is perfect, with the daylight vision being exceptionally sharp and the colors completely clear, thanks to the full HD 1080p resolution. But the night vision brings out a completely different side of the camera that is amazing. It has an embedded algorithm that allows intelligent sensing, so it knows the difference between humans and an animal walking in the neighborhood. And it's surprisingly sensitive too. The Smart Night Vision mode uses 2 infrared LEDs that can see as far as 30 meters automatically and switches to color monitoring when it detects human movement. That, along with powerful spotlights, will let you get a clear picture of any would-be thief. You'll get a real-time alert without needing to monitor your feed regularly. Number 3, NowLight Self-Powered Lamp. The NowLight is an amazing instant charger that with a minute of tugging, the attached cord can power your phone for 15 minutes, which is a perfect addition to your camping gears. But, what really sets it apart from other chargers is the fact that it also doubles up as a 160 lumen lamp, which is more than bright enough to light up the whole camping area. You can also attach up to 6 satellite lamps to light up the inside, even the darkest of tents. The device is small in size and weight, and the setup process is easy, basically, just to attach the cord. The best part, it comes with a solar charger too. Number 4, Samsung Q90 or QLED TV. The Samsung Q90 or QLED TV has a visibly superior viewing angle that holds its own against an OLED TV, and the local dimming delivers deep blacks without losing shadow detail. With the new Ultra Black Elite filter that is nothing short of a work of art, rejecting ambient light in a way that just staggers belief, the Q90 can deliver images that can directly compete with an OLED, with natural colors, bright highlights, deep blacks, and well-defined shadows. It can also surpass any OLED when it comes to HDR, with images that are often breathtaking in their detail and dynamic range. If you are looking for a stunning TV to purchase, you definitely can't go wrong with this one. Number 5, Nikon Z6 Camera. The Nikon Z6 is one of the best cameras in 2020. A full-frame mirrorless, it ticks all the boxes for features, performance, and price, with a 24.5 MP sensor that offers superb color reproduction and pin-sharp detailing. For individuals with shaky hands, there's a 273-point autofocus system, alongside a 12 FPS burst shooting mode for capturing every moment of a fast-moving scene. Along with these smart touches, it's an ergonomic body, easy in the hand with sensibly placed controls and a massive, bright EVF. If you are in search of a camera that will provide you with stunning quality, the Nikon Z6 is definitely a great choice. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Following on from the Gear S3 series and the Gear Sport in 2017, the Samsung Galaxy Watch comes much improved over its predecessors and rightfully knocks the Apple Watch off the top spot for this section of our best gadgets list. With a battery life that boasts up to 4 days for the wearable, the Samsung Galaxy Watch is an amazing gadget with all the right features. As a tech lover, it would be a crime not to have this watch in your collection. Number 7. NuraLoop Headphones. The NuraLoop headphone is full of amazing features like active noise cancelling and touch controls and some extra smart touches, like the magnetic analog jack that lets you connect to your earphones with wires, or the smart on/off feature that automatically switches the headphone on when you put it around your head. But most importantly, it's the sound that sets the Nuraphones apart. Like the Nuraphones before them, what you hear is something exceptional, especially for a pair of headphones under that price range, with everything wonderfully balanced, letting sounds you didn't know even existed drift into the mix. Number 8. Arlo Video Doorbell. Offering a good balance between price, premium features, and usability, Arlo's Video Doorbell is one of the best choices if you want a high-quality smart doorbell that works reliably without being annoying. Its standout feature, which is the ability to tell the difference between people, animals, vehicles, and packages, and only sending you the notifications you want, means you don't get an alert every time a little wind hits the bell. Along with some of the best quality video and a nice square video shape that shows you more of your doorstep than most, the Arlo Video Doorbell is a must-have gadget for tech lovers. Number 9. Valve Index. There's little doubt that the Valve Index is the next generation VR headset people have been clamoring for. It has an ultra-crisp display that runs fairly well even with older GPUs, a wider field of view, a higher refresh rate, and Valve's knuckle controllers, which can track the movement of every finger. For tech lovers, there's no doubt that the Valve Index will be the VR headset of choice. It's a significant upgrade to the HTC Vive and runs much smoother than the Vive Pro, a powerful VR headset that struggled to deliver on the promise of high-end room-scale VR. Number 10. Sony WH-1000XM3. Despite being a new model for 2018, the Sony WH-1000XM3 are the best noise-canceling headphones in the world and has been for the last 2 years. That's because, even though some new amazing features are being introduced, they are for the most part a small refinement of last year's excellent WH-1000XM2. The WH-1000XM3 uses the newer USB-C charging standard instead of a legacy micro USB connection, and there is also a bit more padding along the bridge to make it more comfortable for you. For music lovers, this headphone changes the way we listen to music completely. And that's it. This is the end of today's episode. Those are the 10 cool gadgets you need to get right now and add to your collection. What do you think? Do you have any other gadget you think should have been on the list? Then comment it down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, press that bell icon, that way you won't miss out when we drop another amazing video. Also, you can share this video with someone whom you think shall see this video. For now, we will sign off. We will come up with a new episode soon. Take care.